by the looks of it, you guys can tell what we're doing here today is another transmission. Ain't that right, fella? So we got our tranny that we just put our LSD in. Here's the good old twin disc. Yeah, she's getting ready to go back in, and then we're gonna pull the head off, put a new head gasket because it was running a little warm, and we will go from there. Goal is to do some testing this Friday and then see what happens from there. But yeah, we didn't really record much of the transmission deal because we were learning and figuring it out, but it happened fast, so camera didn't really come out. But we are going to pull this transmission apart and just see how bad second is, because the last couple videos I made of the car doing some pulls on the street, yeah, second left. So we're gonna take a look at how bad it is. It would just bang and jump really hard as we were in second gear, so I'm curious to see what it looks like. But yeah, so get this training in, like I said, do the head, and then go from there. Hopefully this training can hold up a little bit, have some fun. That's the plan. So yeah, we'll let you guys see action, doing all the work, and go from there. And also, we are going to be doing a breakdown video of this thing soon, because surprisingly a lot of you guys asked for it, so the time has come. We're going to get all the pictures we got from the beginning, make a nice little collaboration of the turd, you know, and then yeah, put it all together and explain the build to you guys and break it down and let you know what it took to make this thing what it is. Slow, that is, you know, it is slow. But yeah, so stay tuned. You always get a nice view, little deer out here working. He's just hanging out behind the tree. How close do you think I can get?
I don't know, we'll try.
Yeah, he's gonna take off.
Why don't you come out of a white tent?
I'm gonna grab a pear off of this tree over here. Just gonna give it the pear. Doesn't like us today. I'll find something he likes. They eat the apples off this tree, but he doesn't even want an apple. I don't know what sounds you make. Here you go. All right, I'll leave you alone. Look at him. He's just hanging out. All right, back to work. Well, after our little deer encounter, we got the rest of the training and everything. Wasn't long, but you know, ball joints are done as they go bad every, I don't know, 70 to 100,000 miles, would you say? Maybe. But since we do them every couple months here, a couple weeks, depending on how much we abuse the car, because we haven't put a training in it yet. These new ball joints, there may be, I don't know, 20, 30 hours of drive time on them. They've been on and off probably 7 to 10 times. The threads just came out with the nut, which is very annoying. So we're gonna get this ball joint out, pop a new one in there, and get it back together, my friend. That's the goal.
Big hammer.
Big hammer, he says. Smash your phone. Let's see this method.
I don't know how it's gonna work.
Oh, that worked pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
There you go.
This shit was brand new.
Was.
Well, it was. Okay, now we just gotta go get one.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Besides the grease, like obviously we just blew the boot apart, but wow, look what you just did. That was like really hard to move a minute ago. But yeah, it was new. Not very old at all. But that's okay. New stuff. And then we will get back to it. So we got our new ball joint, and no press necessary. The man here thinks he's just gonna knock it on in. So, shall see. Nice and new, you know. Oh yeah, you can't move that bad boy. It's tight. Tight as a tiger.
Few inches later. 1 hour later. 2 hours later.
You succeeded with that little hammer.
Yeah.
Wasn't
Put the clip on.
Do you there goes. I don't know if it's in far enough, is it? No, it's not. I think you need to go a little deeper. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Going for a big boy now.
One eternity later.
The wheels are on. We swap back over to more of a street setup, obviously. But yeah, like I was saying with this tranny, obviously we broke second, but with this transmission, it's an S40, the other one's an S20. We were trying to Google it, and we believe this third gear was a little bit longer than the S20 transmission because we had a little bit of lag in third, which is definitely partially because of the turbo we have, the eBay GT35. It's a little laggy for the little D series, but we made some changes to the tune to help with that, and we think this tranny should help as well. And also with the LSD being in there, that's going to be new and exciting. So we got the tranny in, fluid in it, everything's tightened up, ready to go. We got the wheels swapped out, just uploaded that updated tune. We're gonna take it for a little test ride and see how it reacts. And Jesse hasn't even been in the car since it works, so it's funny to see his reaction. So he's gonna be behind the wheel, ain't that right, fella? So yeah, we're gonna get strapped in and see what happens here, do a little dialoguing. So yeah, this will be fun. See you guys when we get at it. Upper, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Right. But that's new.
Huh?
That's new.
What do you mean it's you?
Like that sound, it didn't do that. You tighten up the slates on it?
Yeah.
Fork and all that was alright? Make a left at this light.
What?
Make a left at the second light, CBS. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Did you ever put them bolts back in the
Not
Brake
this light,
line?
next one.
brake line? Because that's going to rub the axle.
Well, I picked it up. It wasn't touching the axle, but it could. We'll have to look at that. But that ain't the noise, though.
I know.
It sounds like it's right here.
It sounds like the training. It sounds
Like it's inside of it.
Yeah.
Oh, we did build this thing. Yeah. Yeah.
But it sounds like something's moving. Something's definitely moving.
Right. I mean, I still say send it. What are you gonna do?
That seemed like a boost cut or something.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
It wasn't unusual. It
Right,
was a
right,
bop,
right.
bop, bop, like-
Right. You want to pull over somewhere? Anywhere?
No, I gotta rip the line out of the boost controller. You never know. With electronics. This lady's like, tell us to get the fuck out of here. You never know.
Right. If it does it again, then that's what it is.
Right.
All right, go for it.
Should I do it there, or
If you can get it, yeah. If not, then
what if I just do second?
yeah. Yeah. If it does it again, then you definitely did.
I won't do a full pull, but if it makes boost, then
Right.
did a little break up.
Did it?
Yeah.
I didn't notice it. So after checking out the logs, we realized the speed sensor was unplugged. So we were hitting two-step during the pool. So we got that plugged in. We're gonna try to look over it to see if we can figure out that noise it made. Sounded like something was loose or moving around. It could be inside the transmission, we don't know, because we did take it apart and put the LSD in it. But yeah, we're gonna take a look at some things and then maybe go back out for another run. So see what happens. All right, guys, we got everything ready. We're gonna go do a first through third pull and see how she does. Let some air out of the tires. So, a little test pass.
I know, motherfucker.
I didn't know you said what. That's all, man. Straight
That
as
was
an
good.
arrow.
That was good. Yeah, Ari, you almost took the sidewalk out. I thought you were gonna hit that deer.
That's good.
That was good. That was a good
little
one.
in third, but
Yeah, it was still. It's definitely better.
Right.
Tranny still sucks.
what's the temp at? Should be Just gonna let it cool down. I think it's alright, 185.
Oh, that's good.
So third should be a little bit hotter. Let's see if I can get it straight back now.
Right.
He's surprised. That guy cutting grass, boy.
I know. I'm glad you moved over though.
Yeah. I gave him all I could. Well, it's the end of the night. Some things happened. We made some changes. And after some changes, this car went real fast. It was very dark and we were just like testing things, so we didn't record it, but this thing is rolling. So we're going to make very little minor changes from here and hopefully change the head gasket before Friday, and then we're going to try to test it and hopefully run a Saturday night, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, she's rolling. Ain't that right, buddy? Can't really see him out there, it's a little dark, but he runs from the camera. Yeah, it's rolling. Thank you guys for watching. It was boring while we're just getting this thing ready, but it's there now, so we're hyped. See you guys next time.